This is our tip of the day. We're going to make your own green screen for less than $20. A green screen is what is behind me, and it makes the transparent view. You might see weathercasters pointing to different highs and lows and states and things going on, rain that's happening in the background. That's called chroma key, and it's either a green or blue screen. And these screens are rather expensive to buy, between $100 and several $100s. I made one from Lowe's by going to Lowe's and buying some PVC. So the first picture I'm going to bring up here is what you would need to purchase from Lowe's. And that is this. You're going to need two 10-foot sections of PVC pipe that is either 1.5 inches or 1 3/4 inches in diameter. The 1 3/4 inches is a little heavier. I'm using the 1.5 inches. It's working just fine. And then one 5-foot section of the same thing, just half the size. And then you're going to need two 1.5-inch, same size, PVC elbow joints, which is that little thing that looks like an elbow. And then you're going to need four 1.5-inch PVC tees. You will also need to buy a packet of clamps, okay? These clamps I found at Lowe's. I bought a whole bag of clamps at Lowe's for $3. Okay, I think there were 14 of them in here. These were too big. They were different sizes. So you can find them. They're very cheap. They're either like 79 cents each or, just simply a bag for just a few dollars. So you're going to need either a tablecloth or a bed sheet, or you can actually purchase a green screen material for pretty inexpensive yourself online if you want to spend a few extra dollars. So then when we're at Lowe's, we want them to cut these PVC pipes into different sections. So we're going to cut the two 10-foot sections into four 4-foot pieces and two 2-foot sections. And then with the 5-foot piece, we're going to cut it into four 15-inch sections. They'll do it for you for free. There's no extra charge at Lowe's. You just tell them, and they'll run right in the back and cut it on up for you. All right, and then this will all come together when you see this photo right here. This is everything kind of spaced out, but it shows you the diagram of it. So the four 4-foot sections make a square up at the top. Those are the four 4-foot pieces of PVC. You've got the two elbow joints that will connect that at the top. You have two T's in the center that will connect and stabilize it with that bar in the middle. And then the 2-foot sections at the bottom are the legs, all right? And then you have the two more T's that hook onto the bottom of that, and those are the feet, so it will stabilize on the ground. Now you could buy a couple extra, 4 extra elbow joints and make kind of feet, but really those PVC pipes are long, and as long as you're on carpet or something like that, it will look fine. When you put it all together, this is sort of what it looks like. That's your frame, all right? That PVC, believe it or not, all put together with all those joints cost me less than $10. Okay, it's 10 bucks for that. Put that all together myself, and I'm going to take that fabric or that tablecloth or that bed sheet of green, and I'm going to sort of hook those clamps all together all around it, make it nice and tight, and you got basically a 4-foot square chroma key screen right behind you. So that's what my screen. Let me zoom out. I'll even zoom out for you. How's that? Let me see if I can just move this camera. There we go. There you go. All right, so there's my screen behind me. Oh, am I giving you epilepsy? I don't mean to. Okay, so there's my screen. Now I'll just reset this back up kind of close like that. And then I'm going to turn it on here in a second, just like that. And there, it's gone. Now you see the computer screen behind me. And that's the magic of chroma key. So here's the deal. That PVC pipe was 10 bucks. The clamps were $3, and I already had the green screen material. I already had the big tablecloth, okay? So if you already have either a blue or green bed sheet or tablecloth, or you want to go to Party City and buy one of those plastic tablecloths for $1, you could do that. It would work. A lot better than spending $200 online. So that's my tip of the day, how to make your own green screen for less than $20. I hope you enjoyed that little tip for today.